Hey everyone from the Nourish Life Tribe. So this video is to explain to you how you can actually create a recommended cart that you're able to share with people from your IsaLife app. So say you want to share to a new customer. This is a really easy way to actually share a pack for someone to get started. Saves you spending all the time putting in their credit card details and information. They can put it in themselves. So you can pre-configure a cart for them. And the way to do that is you need to use a computer. So you go to backoffice.isagenix.com, log in with your account details that your sponsor should have sent you or you should have set up when you got started. And then you can click on Team and Manage My Recommended Carts here. And so the other thing you can do here is you can actually use this to set up and send a recommended cart to one of your customers as well to help them enroll someone. So they might just be a preferred customer, and so you're helping them share a system even though they're not doing the business or anything like that. They're sharing with someone, and you can help them through that process. So as you can see, I've pretty much got everything set up in terms of the basic systems. I've got the ultimate in dairy-free, the ultimate in normal. I've got some of them in New Zealand, some of them in Australia. I've got the 30-day mix. So basically what I've done is I've usually just clicked the choose favorites, let Isagenix sort of select your flavors for you. Because when you send this to someone, what you need to say to them is, check that you've got the products that you want and the flavors that you want, so they can then go in and edit it after you send them the link. I've even got a pregnant and breastfeeding pack. So they're all the pregnancy and breastfeeding safe products. That's a complete pack, 221 BV. So I don't have a maintenance pack in here. So what we can do is we can create a new recommended cart here. And I'm going to set up a maintenance pack because maybe someone doesn't want to start on a whole system. So as you can see, it's not every single country that this is available, but it's available in most of the countries, good half at least. So I'm going to set this one up for Australia since I'm enrolling most people in Australia. Okay, and we're going to usually select this option, the preferred customer and order ship. We explain to people this is the best value. It's the best savings. It's just the best one to go with. So we're going to click that. And then here we go. We've got all our options, all our packs. So they sort of come up because they're our most popular ones. I'm going to click on Weight Wellness and just click on a healthy maintenance system because that's going to be nice and easy to share with people. It's going to be pretty common share, I think. So I guess I'll have to choose my own. Let's just go chocolate because everyone likes chocolate. Well, I do anyway. Maybe I'm biased. And canisters. So we'll just put 2 of them. Cleanse for Life. We'll just go powder and Ionic Supreme. Most people like the liquid, so we'll click on that. So that's that. That's all organized. So I've now got that healthy maintenance system in Australia set up and good to go. I add it to the cart, just one of them, and then continue. And then I'm setting up the order ship. So this is someone's first order. So I'm sending someone a recommended cart for them to get started with Isagenix. So in this case, I'm probably going to repeat my first order. That's just going to be easiest. It's going to save you time when you're setting this up. Just do that. And then, if this is what they start on, that's probably what they're going to want to continue on. But you can help them based on their goals as they go through this first part of the system in their first 30 days. So I'm going to call this my healthy maintenance starter. So it's a healthy maintenance starter pack. They're a preferred customer and in Australia. So they're going to have on this, it's going to be included an annual fee and they're going to be set up on auto ship. So that's going to be pretty much the $25 after GST. And then here, if you do actually want to edit that, like say you're doing this whilst you're actually on the phone to them and you're setting this up for them, this is still, very easy to do whilst you're on the phone with someone. This is still kind of quicker and easier to do this, send it to them and then let them play with it. Probably just choose your own flavors and just send that to them. But, say you're on the phone with them, you can then just, clear that. And let's say they want 1 chocolate in canister and then 1 vanilla in canister. So now we've edited it for them and then we can save changes. And that is the order ship order. click on next. The order ship order stays the same. So now we've edited the healthy maintenance system and their order ship order stayed the same as what it was previously. You can go through and edit that as well if you want. But again, just leave that for later when you do the 20-day check-in or 25-day check-in. Again, we're going to have to name this baby. So healthy maintenance starting. Okay, and we save it. So now we've saved this system to our recommended cart. That's going to pop up in our list. So if we go, we don't really want to enroll anyone right now. So I guess we'll just click back on Isagenix. Go back to team and just have a quick look at our manage recommended carts. This is now live in our app. So I will get that up for us. So now you can see the healthy maintenance starter is there in our recommended carts. And you can go in and edit these at any point in time. Okay, so let's move on now to the app. So how do we then share this with our brand new customer or one of our customers? We now jump onto the app. We open the IsaLife app. If you don't have it, you can go to welcome to isagenix.com. It'll have a link there, or on the App Store or the Google Play Store to download that. You click on the app, and then you're going to click on the little person, bottom right corner. And here, you're going to have your information. And you just need to click on the Share Isagenix button in the middle there. It's going to come up with all your options for your recommended carts. You've got all that there. We'll click on our healthy maintenance starter. That's for Australia. You can check the flag to show that. And here we've got our information of who the enrolling sponsor is, where we want them to play, where we want to place them. We might want to place them left or right, and who the placement sponsor is, order ship frequency for them, and the total information there as well, the total price and the total BV for the order. So first thing you want to do is say you're enrolling this for someone else. You're actually just going to add in their member ID in here. So whoever the person who is enrolling, you put them in there. So you can actually send this link to one of your customers who's enrolling one of their friends. And then usually you want to click on placement and you can choose left leg or right leg for that person. And that's pretty much all you need to do. And then you can click share recommended cart. It's going to give you the option to share it. Usually you might just want to copy it and then you can open, say, Facebook Messenger or something, send it to the person. Then the next bet is probably to just message it to the person. So I'm going to message it to myself. Okay, and I will click that link, send it to myself. I'm going to get a message. I'll open up my message. I can click on that link. So now I'm the customer. Or let's say this is one of your customers who's going to share it with their friend, a new customer. They can just copy and paste this whole message you sent them and send it to their friend. And then it's going to take them to a page where they can start putting in all their information. You don't have to do this for them. It's more like a 2-minute process now compared to 5 or 10 when you had to sign people up on the computer. You can still sign people up from the computer. It's a great way to do it, but this is probably the easiest way. You set up a recommended cart. Just remind them to choose their products and make sure that they are getting the flavors that they want once you send them the recommended cart. And that's pretty much it. So good luck getting people started on Isagenix, guys. I hope this makes it heaps easier and pretty straightforward.